Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Diaries with Sav. Today I'm going to share my experience on using some overhyped products on YouTube. You might have seen many bloggers and YouTubers using them, so I thought why not give it a try and share my reviews with you all. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get started. You might have seen this combo everywhere in Instagram and YouTube. So my first product is the cleanser. It is the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. Its main ingredient is Avena Sativa seed powder. It's nothing other than oats. Oats is rich in antioxidants and its anti-inflammatory properties is known to treat several skin issues. This cleanser is very gentle and mild on skin. It is in gel-like running consistency. It is fragrance free. Since it is a soap-free cleanser, it doesn't contain any chemicals like SLS to make more lather, so it doesn't dry out our skin. It also maintains pH levels. As it is very mild on skin, it is recommended for very sensitive skin and also for a daily use. It is fragrance free, but I felt a mild fragrance of raw vitamin E oil. That doesn't even last also. On the whole, it's a very good product, but I felt it very pricey. For 120 ml, it costs you around 900 rupees. Second product is Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. It comes in this packaging. Actually, this was my repurchase. I had purchased it before. It comes in a lotion-like consistency, smells very refreshing and soothing. The vitamin E present in this lotion is vitamin E phosphate. Its special formula penetrates deeper in the skin and releases its benefits longer than any other cream or lotion. They claim that it is also recommended to use before makeup. And also I tried it. It really helps the makeup sit for a long time without drying our skin or feel cakey. This product is also a bit pricey, but I repurchased it because I really liked it. The next product is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. The serum is a little thick consistency and lightweight. It is non-sticky texture also. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule in the skin already. But after 20s, the natural hyaluronic acid levels in our skin start to drop down, which results to the loss of moisture and plumpiness in our skin. And the results are to get dry, dehydrated skin. Nowadays, hyaluronic acid has come into trend. Before it was not at all known, but now it comes in many serums and moisturizers. I use a combo of all these three products in my night skincare routine, and the results I get the next day is very radiant skin. Fourth product is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It is a Korean brand. It is free from parabens, SLS and mineral oil. Apply it before applying lipstick. I use it for night only. If you have dry lips, this is going to be your lifesaver. It comes in many other variants like grapefruit, apple lime and vanilla. It also has sun protection factor, so you can use it on a daily basis on day and night. Again, this product is also a bit pricey, but if you can afford it, you must give it a try. I bought this in a hydration kit from Laneige. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, please like the video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.